Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I will show you my trying hard cooking skills. So I already marinated the chicken for 24 hours and I grilled them, and smells like it. So this is all my ingredients for my grilled chicken wraps. And then the tomato chop, I already chopped them and put some seasoning, salt and pepper for taste. I actually use Roma tomatoes. And cucumber, I chop them as well and put some seasoning, salt and pepper for a taste. And I use the course lettuce, types of lettuce, so the course lettuce because it's crunchy, and the red onions or the Spanish onions, so there's a lot of tears. And coriander has that really nice smell, so it's always good for the chicken wraps, always the coriander. And the wraps that I'm using is the brand is La Banderita. It tastes really good, this wraps, so flour tortillas, so it's really good. And I used the aioli garlic mayonnaise to spread it on top of the wraps. So we still got a lot to do. So, and it's actually much better if you heat it up your flour tortilla. So this is, I already heat this one up, so we're just gonna put some fillings. So we're just gonna use the aioli garlic mayonnaise, spread it on top of the wraps. Just don't put too much though, because otherwise it's gonna overpowering the taste. So just spread it like this. And next is I put coriander, lots of coriander, because it tastes really good if you put a lot of coriander. But some people, if you don't like coriander, well, just don't put coriander, or just don't put too much. And the chop and the onions, I like red onions, so I put generous amount of onions. And tomatoes, chop tomatoes. And the next one is the cucumber, so always put a generous amount of all the vegetables, because they all good for you anyway, and it's very healthy. And that's, I put the course lettuce, and then the chicken that I grilled earlier, so just put that on top. Just put a lot of grilled chicken as well. and pepper for taste. And that's it. That's the ta-da! So guys, this is the finished products of our chicken tacos wraps. Yum yum! Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time for my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.